this Christmas in Iamjustgeorgiak life. This Christmas will be a very special one, a very special one. And this Christmas will be a very special one. Yeah. This is the season that brings you close, that everybody loves the most. Kids are playing in the snow, kissing under the mistletoe. And I know, yes, I know, this Christmas will be a very special one, a very special one. Yeah. And this Christmas will be a very special one, a very special one. Yeah. And this Christmas will be a very special one, a very special one. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Yes, it's my birthday eve. Happy birthday to me tomorrow. So yeah, so the hair that I'm going to be reviewing is from At Lake, and this hair company is on Amazon. I bought was from At Lake. The hair was 12 inches and it was $39. Worn glueless. It already comes pre-plucked. It's a 4x4 lace glue. It's for beginners or beginner friendly, so you won't have any issue installing this hair. The hair is in natural color and it's a one-day shipping because I bought it Tuesday and it came Wednesday. So yeah, and if you buy it today, it will come tomorrow. Cause let me show you guys. So this is the hair company. The hair company actually have 4.2 stars, and it have 860 reviews. This is the bag that it comes in, and I told you guys the company is called At Lake. Wear and go glueless, and it's e-closure wigs for beginners. I'm just gonna open it. So the hair comes with a wig cap. It comes with some instruction how to care for the hair. So the human hair care, yeah, so it just tells you how to care for the hair, how to measure the hair. Headband right here. This one is colorful. I like this one. And I told you guys the hair is 12 inch. The price was only $39, so you can't beat that. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys so you guys can see. Okay, this feels good and full. So this is how the hair is looking. It's like very full, as you can see from the side. I'm gonna hold it like right here so you guys can see it. It is very full. It's full. The hair feels so soft. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the construction of the wig. So it is a 4x4 wig right here. It does come with, let me see how much. Ooh, it have an adjustable strap right here at the top. Then it have 2 combs at the side. It have 1 comb in the center and 1 in the back. And this looks like it's going to be snug. This look like it's gonna fit my hair, like fit my head to the T. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to install this. This shouldn't take very long to install, and it already come pre-cut. I didn't even realize that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just take it off and let you guys see how it looks. So let me go ahead and review it. So this is how it's looking. So this is how it's looking. I really like it. It's very easy to install. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the airport because I need to collect my sister and my niece. I put back my headband on because I wanted to make it lay a little bit more. I'm gonna just go ahead and go to the airport so I can collect them. I'm super excited. I'm going to have family with me for my birthday, even though me and my husband normally celebrate it, but yeah, so it's gonna be fun. So let's go. So guys, I'm here just waiting on her. I think she's here already because her phone is ringing but she's not answering. So I'm just waiting until she calls me, then I'm gonna just drive over to arrival. But yeah, just stay tuned. So the wig is looking. This is how it came out. I took the band off, as you can see, and it looks nice, right? It looks nice. So guess who is here? Okay guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Christmas will be a very special one. Very special one. Yeah, yeah,